Good morning students. Today we are going to learn grammar topic is article. It's a very important topic and you also learn article in previous class. So you must remember the articles are a, and, the, because you learned these articles in previous class. So you must know the words a and the are article. Now we are going to learn about its uses. Article and. We are going to learn article and. Before the words beginning with the vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, we used article and. Keep it in your mind that we use an article before the sound vowel, not the word A, E, I, O, U. We use an article before the sound of vowel. Keep it in your mind. We use article an before the sound of vowel A, E, I, U, O. Ever you find the vowel sound, we are going to use an. Go by the sound of vowel. Keep it clear in your mind. So we are going to do exercise article an. Let's do some exercise of article an. When we use article an, we use article an before the noun or phrase beginning with a vowel sound. Keep it in your mind, we use an article before the vowel sound, not vowel words, vowel sound. The sound is a, e, o, u. Let's do some exercise. Artist. Here is the sound is artist. So we use article an artist. Here is the word honor. The word is start with consonants H. But the sound of this word is honor. It's begin with the vowel sound honor. So we use article an before honor. And before honor because it start with the vowel sound. Third one is amusing story. Amusing story. These words also start with the vowel sound, so we use an article before the word amusing story. An amusing story. Third one is C is an MA in English. Now, M is consonant word. M is consonant word. But it pronounced like MA. It's pronounced with vowel sound. M is pronounced like MA. So we use N before MA. Because it is sound like vowel sound. MA. So, in this sentence, we use an article before the word MA. An MA. Now you can write definition of article an. It is placed at the beginning of the noun of a noun or noun phrase beginning with a vowel sound. And the vowel sound are E, I, O, U. In English, A, E, I, O, U. But U is pronounced U in words. So let's do some exercise of article an. Here is a word SSC. The word is start with consonant S, but it's pronounced SSC. Its pronounce is SSC. So we are putting here an article NSSC. Next word is R. Here is also the word is start with H and H is consonant, but we are going with the sound of vowel. Keep it in your mind, we are going to use sound of vowel. So instead of here is a consonant word H, but it pronounce a R. So we will put here an article, an R. Next one is ink pot. I is pronoun E. Ink pot. So we are using the sound of vowel. Here is ink pot. E. It start with E vowel. So we are going to use an article before ink pot. Next one is honest. It is also start with consonant, but its sound is vowel sound. Honest. O. Honest. So we will use here an article. The same way MSC. The sound is vowel sound. MSC. 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 So we will use an article over here. MSC. Last one is apple. Apple. The sound is apple. So we will put here an article. Okay. So keep it in your mind that we will use an article ever we seen sound of vowel, not A, E, I, O, U words. Start with A, E, I, O, U, but we will go through the sound of vowel. Okay, now we are going to learn about article A. Uses of article A. Definition of article A is, it is placed at the beginning of a noun or noun phrase beginning with a consonant sound. As we learned before, N is used before vowel sound, and now A is using before consonant sound. Which are the consonant sound? The consonant sounds are K, K, G, R, M, etc. Okay, so let's try the exercise. Here is some words of exercise. Let's try to do the exercise. First word is boy. The word is start with B, boy. So we will write the article at here a boy. Article A is used here, a boy, because it is start with a consonant sound. Next one is cat, K. The word is start with consonant sound and it is K, cat, a cat. Next one is man, M, man. So we will write here article a man. Next one is young. The consonant sound is here y, young man. So we will write here a young man. Next one is unique. Now tell me which word is here, vowel or consonant? Yes, it is vowel word, U. U is a vowel word, but in this word a vowel word is pronounced unique, y. It's pronounced y, unique. It's not u, unique, not is unique, it is unique. So we will pronounce it as consonant sound. So it is a vowel word, but it pronounced as a consonant sound y, unique. So we will write over here a article, a unique, not an unique. It's a unique. Last one is fan, f. It's also consonant sound f. So we will write over here a fan. I hope you understand the articles a and n and uses of a and n. You can take a screenshot of article A and N. Okay. Have you taken a screenshot? Good. Now I am going to give you some exercise depending on article A and N. Do the exercise at your home and learn about the uses of article A and N. Thank you very much.